In heavy civil construction, the difference between what new hires expect and what they actually experience can be significant. The work is demanding, fast moving, and shaped by changing site conditions, tight schedules, safety requirements, and constant coordination between teams. Yet, too often, the true daily, weekly, monthly rhythm of a role is not clearly documented or communicated before someone starts. This lack of transparency can create confusion and frustration. New employees may enter the job with one understanding of their responsibilities, only to discover a very different reality once they're in the field or in the office. Over time, that gap can affect morale, performance, and retention. For an industry that's already facing labor shortages and high turnover, setting accurate expectations is not just helpful, it is essential to building stronger teams to keep good people in place. Hi, I'm Taylor Maurer, founder and senior managing partner of Heavy Civil Resource Consultants, an executive search firm specialized in heavy civil, infrastructure, and engineering sectors. One of the most valuable recruiting tools your company can develop isn't expensive software or flashy recruiting campaign. It's a simple expectations checklist. Think about all the questions candidates have but often don't ask. Like, what are the typical work hours? Is overtime common? How much weekend work should they expect? Will they be working nights? How often do they travel and for how long? And what about flexibility? Can employees adjust their start or end times when needed, or are schedules fixed? Are they expected to remain on the job site throughout the day, or can they leave during lunch? And are breaks scheduled at specific times, or does the superintendent or project manager determine when they happen based on production and site conditions? Then there are the day-to-day expectations that can make or break a new employee's experience. Like, what's the dress code for office personnel, or what PPE is required for the field? How often will employees move between projects? Are overnight assignments part of the job? These may seem like small details, but they're often the things that surprise new hires the most. The more transparent you are during the hiring process, the more likely you'll attract candidates who are genuinely comfortable with your work environment. That leads to fewer surprises, better engagement, stronger retention, and ultimately better performing teams. Remember, recruiting isn't about convincing everyone to join your company. It's about helping the right people make an informed decision before they ever step onto the job site. If your company doesn't already have an employee expectation checklist, we've created one to help get you started. Our free heavy civil construction employee expectations checklist walks you through the key topics every hiring manager should discuss with a candidate before they accept an offer. Download your free copy using the link below and start building stronger teams through better communication and clearer expectations. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.